Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Let's make some curry fried chicken. Hi guys, how are you all doing today? Um, Today the other day I was thinking I think about some video ideas, and then something popped in my mind that I used to make a couple of years ago when KFC came out with the curry fried chicken. I said that I said I can do it myself, so I tried making it, which my family enjoyed. So I said, you know what, I could do that curry chicken. I don't quite remember the year. I think it was 2008 or something like that. But I said, you know what, I could try that and show you guys how I make my curry fried chicken. So that's what I'm going to do today. So inside here now, I have two chicken leg and two chicken thighs, and then the side that come off of the chicken thighs there. Alright, so to that now, what I'm adding about a tablespoonful of minced garlic. Alright, and then I have one whole pepper here that I cut up with seed and all because I need it to be spicy. We're doing a mock KFC, so back in the day KFC. So one whole Scotch bonnet pepper that has been chopped. Quick wash your hands. Remember guys, and then meat, wash your hands every step of the way. Alright, dry my hands. And then to that now, I'm adding my olive oil, green seasoning. So I'll be putting about a tablespoon of green seasoning on this. About a tablespoon. Remember this have in everything. I'll link the green seasoning video in the cards above and also in the description box, guys. So if you want to see it, you just hit one of those links. Then in here now, I have a tablespoon of curry. And this is the only time I put curry on meat, guys. This is the only time I'll add curry to the meat directly. Fry this in the oil, so I'm burning it. You could say I'll be burning it as well. Alright, so a tablespoon of that. And then in here now, I have about 2 teaspoons of salt approximately. I don't want to add too much salt in here because in the butter and the flour that I'll be using to butter the chicken with, I'll be adding some salt to it. So I don't want too much in there. So about 2 tablespoons. Alright, let's put that. Oh, and my dish here is my handed on the dish that the chicken came in. So then as per usual, with the back over my hand, I'm gonna rub these in. Rub them in real good. Real good. Get the chicken out. Get this, all the seasoning there, all over the chicken there. I'm going to marinate this overnight. Marinate this over 2 hours. I wanted to get it so I could marinate it overnight. I didn't get it in time. So I didn't get to marinate it in. Alright, so with the same bag there over my hand, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with it over this. Just turn it inside out. Turn it inside out. And then we just wrap it up, lock down all of that air down in there. Wrap it around. You can see there. I wrap it around there. And then we just suck it on now. So this, when I have it like this, it's airtight. Then quick time, in 2 hours or so your meat will be well marinated. Season and soak down to the bone. Alright, then I'm going to make the batter. So I'm putting about a teaspoon of garlic powder. And this is one of the few powdered seasonings to use because this is basically dried garlic. So putting about a teaspoon of garlic powder in there. About a teaspoon of salt, about a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Sorry about that guys, I lost some footage, but I added a teaspoon of curry powder to the flour mixture. So now I'm adding the water to it, about a cup of water I've in there. Okay, like this consistency. Okay. Like that consistency. Alright, so I'm going to put reference. So the same thing going into the flour, garlic, about a half a teaspoon. Some salt, and a little curry. A little of the curry. mixture here. Flour the chicken, butter it and flour it. So you move over the chicken over here that has been marinated for about 2 hours. Marinating for about 2 hours. Alright. I remember I have my flour in here and I have my butter here. And then I have this tray here that I'm going to flour the chicken on. Flour the chicken and then put this up. Alright, so yeah man, and as I told you before, I'm all about quick cleanup, so I line it with foil paper here. Alright, so the same baggie that I used to rub up the chicken, I'm going to tie it over the bag. I'm just going to place these inside here. Alright, placing them in there. This aside, and then now I'm going to spin them out. What you see in the different areas, okay? Spin them over. Spin them over and get up some other thing, and then we're going to place them down in this. Down in there, and then just hold the bag, no mess, and just shake it over, shake it over, shake it over, shake it over. Right, less mess. Easier for me to do. And I've been doing this technique here for a couple of years. Well, I'm going to make sure I'm patting the flour. I want it extra crispy like KFC. Right there. There. Amen. So with that now, we're just going to put it on this. Remember the flour mixture is in there. Let's put it down in the bag there. Bag like this. I'll just shake it around. Just shake it around. So, I'm just gonna let these rest for about 5 minutes so that the flour can go and set on it, because we don't like to put them in the oil with too much flour on it. And then it starts burning down the bottom. So I'm not about that life when I'm using. I'm about to deep fry things and use a whole quarter or so of oil or more of oil to fry. So that's why I'm using this small pot here, so that I can get the oil as high up as possible without using too much oil. So that is why I'm using this small pot here. Alright, so I'm not about that life to use too much oil. About half of it. About half of it. So to that now, I'm putting these 2 small pegs of garlic in there. And a piece of thyme to go and flavor the oil. So every step of the way we're flavoring. So the oil is now at the temperature that I need it. So I'm now ready to start frying. Remember to gently place the chicken in the pot so as not to cause any burn, guys. So we cover the pot to trap the steam down in there. Remember KFC chicken, they fry the chicken under pressure. So this is what I'm trying to mimic. To get the steam to help to cook the chicken. Oh, I forgot to add my pepper. I'm adding a pepper there. So the steam helps to keep the chicken juicy, being that we removed the skin earlier. We're going to turn them now. And we're going to put them about 7 to 8 minutes on each side. So I'm now ready to remove the chicken. It has now been about 15-16 minutes thereabout. Look at that piece of chicken there, guys. So beautiful, well fried, and I can guarantee you that it is juicy on the inside. And as you see here, in order to keep it crispy, I'm placing it on a wire rack there instead of on paper towels, because when I put it on paper towels it causes it to become soggy. And when I do this, I'll be able to put it in the oven to keep it warm. And just the final piece down there. Same thing, cover it back. Let go of this cheese. I'm turning this chicken back here now. Just ready to remove one. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look how this is going on. Yes. Ah. Look at that. Oh. So there you have it, guys. My back in the day KFC curry fried chicken. Wow, that's a mouthful. But anyways, guys, thank you so very much for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and also always remember to check my description box for any additional information that you may have missed. See you in my next video, guys.